Good afternoon here at Mecum, Kissimmee 2025, bringing you some Corvettes. I'll tell you what, I love this 67 in this silver with a black stinger, side pipes, red line tires. It is sharp. Factory side pipe car. It's a Bloomington Gold certified car. You don't see them in this silver too often. I don't believe it's Cortez silver, but silver pearl they called it. $300,000 to $350,000 this can go for. Original number match. This is a Top Flight Award winner. To get a Top Flight Award, it's a big deal to get that car to it. There's a lot. They have 4 judges that go per compartment and just look over these cars with a fine-tooth comb. I had my 73 judged back in Cypress Gardens days, and got a second flight award on it, and it was hard to get that. But just love this car. It is super sharp. That hard top convertible. I love the hard top look. It's just makes the car look so much different. Super sharp. Impeccable restoration on this car. It is just all that in a bag of chips, let me tell you. Like I said, to get a car to the gold certified, it's really hard to do. Back in '98, this was judged Bloomington Gold. There's a copy of the order card for this car showing how it came from the factory. 435 V8 turbojet, black trim, transmission, posi traction, 411, 4-speed, tinted glass, side dual exhaust. Wow. Let's take a look up under the hood to show you what a Bloomington Gold restoration is like. It is over the top. Just perfect under there. It's even got just the way it came. They're really tough on the way they judge these cars, boy, I tell you. To get one to a first Top Flight Award is just amazing. Here's a 63 Z06. This is where the Z06s started. This is split window N03. I'm not sure what that is. One of 63 produced. This is the original Z06. A lot of them were big big tank car. It's a fuel injection. I'm not sure what the N03 is. I need to look at that. Here again, Bloomington Gold. Everything is perfect underneath this car. Engine compartment is just phenomenal. Service instructions. It's important to have all those stickers back on it. Correct markings. Bloomington Gold, Top Flight. Restoration was done in 2015 when the 63 produced. Oh, it's the big tank car. N03 is the 36-gallon fuel tank. 327, 360 horse. Man, that little small block, they were quick. To pull 360 horse out of that thing, whew, that was saying something. Wow. This thing is nice. Piece of GM history right here. Only 63 ever made. They had these cars in 24 hours of Le Mans. Big tank car really did help on pit stops. it is. Four-speed transmission, 360 horse, was $430 back then. That was a lot of money. Posi traction, 336 rear, 36-gallon performance tank. That was the big deal right there. Big tank, $202. And the special performance equipment group, $1,293. This car was amazingly expensive for back in the day. That was a huge piece of change to get this vehicle. Mr. Jones in Dallas, Georgia bought this car. He must have had some coins in his pocket because this was an expensive Corvette. One of the most expensive Corvettes ever back in the day, you know. That was a lot of money. Average car then was $2,000–$3,000. So for this thing to come out, what the heck was that? 6603, excuse me, 6603. I don't have my glasses on. This is a prototype. 101, original driveline, 315 horsepower motor. Arcus Duntop certified. This is a big brake, big fuel tank car. 300 to 350,000. There was only 2 of these built in 1960, and this is one of them. Zora Arcus Duntop Mark of Excellence Award winner in 07. Big brakes, big tank, 411 T10 4-speed. And this car was race ready. Super sharp 60. Fuel injection. This was sold in Michigan. Wow, that was a big piece of change back then. $49,57.25. The red color didn't cost anything. The black trim didn't cost anything. 4-speed, $188. Deluxe heater, $102. Windshield washer. Posi traction, $48. Permanent antifreeze, $5. $49,57.25. That was quite a piece of change back in the day. 734 miles on it, it states. Wow. Old slicks up under it. $1960. Still a trunk car back then. Pretty cool. Well, I tell you what, those are 3 really special Corvettes. Very special. I'm in awe with these things. They're just amazing cars. I hope y'all like these. I wanted to spend a little bit of time and go through them. Pretty neat stuff. Muscle Car Corner signed out some amazing Corvettes. Piece of GM history. Thanks so much.